Alright, the very last step is to tighten the 4 bolts in the back just enough so that the front plate can be put back on, and then you place a magnet to trigger the micro switch, and if you're lucky it'll sound like that. If there's any noise at all, you need to adjust it with a block of wood and a hammer, but I'm not going to do that since it's already perfect. Put the metal on, and I have found that putting the juicer upside down for the final touching of the bolts. Oh, beautiful. It sounds wonderful. So, tightening the bolts upside down because gravity tends to help. Just focusing here now. There we go. Let's try it. Oh, beautiful sound. Excellent. Okay, that's